Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see best sensitivity for new player PUBG Mobile BlueStacks Emulator. I'll show you guys how to do it. First you guys need to see the recoil of the gameplay. As you can see, now you just need to open up your mouse software. In my case I am using Logitech this model of mouse. After you are in mouse software, you just need to set the DPI speed to 3000. After selecting it, just need to come back to this game and go to settings, go to sensitivity. Now you just need to pause the video and change it, guys. I'm gonna freeze this page. Just pause the video and change it. And now scroll down. Just pause the video and change it. After changing it, you can also control your recoil of the M46X on your PC, as you can see. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.